Hello students, we have completed the fourth chapter till four chapters. Now let's move forward and our next chapter is chapter 5, that is people around us. So people around us, who are these people around us? Okay, so there are many people around us who are always ready to help us. Okay, one among them is a doctor. So, students, when you fall sick, what do you all do? We visit a doctor. Yes. So, a doctor plays an important role in our society. So, people often fall ill or get injured. So, the need of a person who can cure our diseases and injuries becomes immense. The person who cures us is called a doctor. He is an important member of the society. A doctor examines the patients and then gives medicines and pills. Yes, students, when we fall sick, we visit the doctor, and the doctor they give us medicines and we become healthy as before. So a doctor plays an important part in the society, and at present you can see the situation which has arisen in this world. The doctors were treated equal to god, because it is the doctors who is needed the most at this present time. So the need of a doctor is very important. And along with the doctors in the hospitals, you can find few people, they to help these doctors. Okay, they are nurse. A nurse is also a very important member of a society. She assists a doctor. She serves the sick people in a hospital or in a nursing home. A nurse should be kind, generous, sympathetic, and polite. To her, serving patients means serving God. So, to help the doctors, you can find few ladies in the hospitals. They are called as nurse. So, these nurse serves the sick people, मतलब बीमार लोगों की सेवा करती हैं. The role of a nurse is also very important in our society. So, the doctor and the nurse play an important role. Okay. Next, we have the other people who help us are a policeman. A policeman catches the thieves and prevents crime in the city. He makes sure that we obey the laws. He is responsible for maintaining law and order in the city. Yes, students, you can find everywhere these policemen on the roads, even where there is lot of traffic, even these people help the public. If there is anyone who misbehaves like thieves and all, you can see it is the duty of the policemen to catch these thieves and give them punishment. It's these policemen maintain the law and order in the society. Next, we have the postman. A postman is also a very important person of the society. He is a public servant. He wears a khaki uniform and carries a bag on his shoulder. His duty is to deliver letters, parcels, and money orders. So, in this present time, usually people are not writing letters and all. The electronic media is much in use, but in previous days of previous time, you could see people used to write letters and all. So it was the duty of the postman to deliver all these letters and parcels, but still we can find few parcels. So it is the duty of the postman to deliver these letters and parcels. And the postman always wears a uniform, which is khaki uniform. Is the color of this uniform, what they wear is called as khaki uniform. And then we have fireman. The work of a fireman is to put out fires. He rides on a vehicle called fire engine, which carries hoses, firefighting equipments, etc. to extinguish the fire. To extinguish fire means to douse off the fire. So you when the fireman, you can see where any fire accidents take place, the people call up these firemen and they come with the vehicle. You can see the fire engine, the vehicle, that is a fire engine. A tank is kept and it is filled with water, and these firemen they carry all the firefighting equipments, means what are the things they require for the maybe the uniform, the pipes and all, what are many things they require for it. So they carry all these equipments and they come to the help of the public whenever they are called. So these people, the policeman, postman, fireman, all these are even very important for us. They play a very important role in our society. Is it clear? Next, we have teacher. A teacher plays a very important role in the society. A teacher teaches in schools. She gives knowledge and helps us to become a worthy member in the society. A teacher has a great role in the all around development of a student. For a teacher, all the students are equal. So, a teacher plays an important role. They teach the moral values and make a student a well human being, a well citizen of the country. Next, students, I'm going to talk about such a great personality, such a person who is really, we feel very proud of them, that is a soldier. A soldier is a person who serves in the army. He guards our borders and protects us from our enemies. He is a true son of the soil and also a true guardian. He is always ready to sacrifice his life for the honor of his country. Besides the above mentioned people, you means we okay, let us see this soldier. So what is this soldier? The one who serves in the army, and everybody knows how tough their life is, how tough duty they do it. So we feel very proud of our army, we feel very proud of our soldiers. So these are the people we have, that is doctor, nurse, policeman, postman, fireman, teacher, soldier. And along with these people, we can even find in our society like a carpenter, one who makes furniture, a barber who cuts our hair, a gardener who looks after our garden, tailor who stitches our clothes, cobbler who mends our shoes. So all these people are very much helpful to us.